Navigating tax compliance under Sri Lanka's Inland Revenue Department, IRD, can be daunting for first-time taxpayers and small business owners trying to decipher dense online archives and legal gazettes. But free AI tools like Microsoft Copilot offer a fast, cost-effective alternative. Accessible via mobile phones and laptops, Copilot scans official IRD circulars, statutory acts, and RAMIS e-services guidelines to provide real-time, highly accurate guidance in both English and Sinhala. Instead of paying high consulting fees for basic queries, citizens can ask Copilot to break down mandatory taxpayer identification number (TIN) registration steps on the RAMIS portal, or explain current personal income tax relief thresholds and progressive tax brackets. Users can prompt Copilot with general scenario-based questions to understand how advanced personal income tax (APIT) applies to their monthly salaries. Additionally, Copilot provides direct web links to the exact IRD pages and legislative documents it references, saving taxpayers from spending countless hours manually searching the web. Beyond basic Q&A, taxpayers can ask Copilot to explain withholding tax (WHT) on deposit interest, outline annual return e-filing steps before statutory deadlines, or generate text to set calendar reminders for quarterly payment dates. While certified accountants remain necessary for complex audits, starting with free AI empowers everyday Sri Lankans to build financial literacy, independently verify IRD requirements, and save time and money. If you found these insights helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more practical tips on financial literacy, AI tools, and tax compliance.